Teja.
Hi.
So, congratulations on your new factory, Leeds factory.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So, yeah, we just received our first LEED certification in Karachi, Pakistan. This is a 700,000 square foot factory with a laundry, stitching, and finishing house. This is Pakistan's first green factory. Um, so we're very excited as a group and a company, and we've done many initiatives in this new unit, which is solar powered. All our dry processes by solar power. We are planning on recycling 100% of the water.
100%.
Our daily consumption is 500,000 gallons. 70% of that 500,000 gallons will go back into the laundry, and the 30% will be used for sanitation and irrigation. We also have solar geysers in order to wash the plates in the cafeteria, etc., because we're not allowed to use any chemicals or detergents. Apart from just the building certification, we've also tried to put technology and automation to make the process more sustainable. We have automated spray booths in which there's no human interaction. We have laser machines, we have ozone machines.
All automated.
All automatic. We've launched a collection called Walk Proud, which is a trademark of Artistic Milliners, and this collection is eco-friendly. Only there's no human impact. There's dry process is done by laser, shades are done by ozone. If there is any need of spray, it's done by robots. And we've used our recycled fibers and our strength in the fabric mill to really bring about a 360-degree sustainable approach.
That's pretty good. So,
We're doing denim, we do other canvas products, all woven bottoms. We do tops as well, but only limited to jackets,
okay.
but mainly denim.
Mainly.
80% denim, yes.
It's mainly your own fabrics, mainly.
Not really, no. We work with our own mill, we work with other mills, nominated fabrics, we're open to that.
How does it affect your final costing of the product?
Well, technology and automation should bring your cost lower actually. The capital investment is higher. To build a Leeds factory is 30% more expensive than building a normal factory. There's many things inside a Leeds factory which aren't visible at first, but even if you look at the plumbing, to get the water from the treatment plant back into the sanitation process requires a lot of plumbing, etc. So it is a heavy capital investment, but we've been in the business for 60 years now, and we want to play our part in preserving the future for the generations to come. Yes.
That's to play a very important part. So,
And if you think about it, I mean, Leeds doesn't require us to recycle all the water, but we are doing that, and
Okay.
that's a saving. There's no drainage of water.
really,
There's absolutely no drainage. Everything is put back into process. Even the sludge is used in our gardens. So we're making bricks with a lot of the sludge. So it's a complete 360-degree process from water, building, process. I mean, in the construction of the factory, we couldn't cut any trees. So there's still 40, 50-year-old trees in the middle of the plant that we just couldn't
Really?
cut. Yeah. We didn't cut anything. All the materials are sourced within 500 square kilometers to make sure there's no transportation pollution, etc.
it's pretty good. Congratulations to
Thank
you,
you.
and I wish you all success.